What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kyle Pancis. If it's your first time tuning in, please be sure to smash that subscribe button. If not, thanks for your continued support. We are back at it here with my 2001 Saab 9.3 Viggen. If you guys aren't familiar with the Saab, it is not just a regular Saab. This is one of 2,000 Saab Viggens that were made for the United States market back in the day. They made 500 of them a year for 4 years, making 2,000. We're here 23 years later, and this one seems to be in pretty decent shape. How many of them can you find out there that are really in top shape? Not too many, which makes them pretty rare and pretty special. So we want to make sure that this car is like new or almost like new when we are done with it. And if you guys aren't familiar with the build, this engine was just rebuilt by the previous owner with Wasner pistons, all new bearings, a new chain, chain tensioner on the timing chain, completely resealed, fresh cooling hoses. Everything was redone on the motor. And then after 3,000 miles of driving, the slave cylinder had broken and failed him with the clutch. So therefore he dumped the car. I was able to pick it up cheap because he has so many projects going on. And here we are today with a running and driving Saab 9.3 Viggen. It has a brand new clutch, brand new slave cylinder, and a brand new motor, fresh rebuilt with a brand new cooling system. How much more can you ask for on a 23-year-old Saab 9.3 Viggen? So here we are. We also went ahead and redid the original Viggen rims. I only have them on this side, so if you guys see the other side in this video with the other rims set on, it's only because I only put it on one side. So here's what we had when we first got the car. And so in today's video, in the last video, if you guys didn't watch, I'll link it above. We just did a quick buff on the exterior. We did a compound and a polish, and I just did a ceramic coating on the hood of the car just to kind of see the turnout. And as you guys can see here with the shadows and the reflections, it is beautiful. So really nice. And in this video here, we're gonna resurrect the interior. The interior is in also really good shape, but of course just needs some TLC and cleaning up. So we're gonna go ahead and completely restore the inside right now in this video. Let's go. So for starters, on the interior here, we have just some dirt and debris all over the inside. And we're gonna just go ahead and scrub it down, vacuum everything. And we also have brand new floor mats. Our mirror button switch isn't working. Our ACC pixels aren't working. So these are some of the things that we're gonna go ahead and address in today's video. So let's just hop into this. I'm gonna throw away all the mats, so that's a starter right there. right, door panel clean, interior vacuum soaked down. So we got fresh mats, like I said earlier. I even did the door jambs. So the door jambs are all depollinated. Step one at least. Next up we got the vacuum over here. So let's knock that out. I'll do like a before shot right now. All right, so I'm probably gonna power wash that mat at some point, but for now it's just vacuumed. But here you guys go. We have all this pollen and debris built up around the outside and lower bumper. So I'm gonna go ahead, take some soap and my soft brush here. We're gonna clean that mess up. Let's do it. See what this looks like now. Gotta make this thing look good, right guys? It's a real detail here. Can actually take this thing to a car show next week. Actually, the day this video goes live will be the day that I'm taking this thing to a car show. A local meetup for Father's Day here. All right guys, so now that the inside is completely vacuumed, soaked up and scrubbed down, I'm gonna go ahead and use this 303 aerospace UV protector. That's good for vinyl, rubber, and obviously will make the whole car nice and shiny and brand new inside. Alright guys, we're gonna call it a break for today, but we are fresh and up in here. This thing cleaned up nice, no more staining on the seats or the door panels. We got our fresh Saab mats in, and if we hop in the car here, you'll see I took the ACC unit out. I'm gonna go home and take the pixel kit out. You'll have it in the video here. But you know, everything's nice and detailed up, really nice and clean in here. So nice, the interior. I'm just amazed that whoever had this car, they just didn't scuff it up. It's really awesome. You know, so you got the Saab mats in there, fresh back seat. So stay tuned guys.